Hello everyone, two knives today, two interesting knives, compact knives. This is from the Sharp Knife Club. So this is a website you can buy online. I'll probably put the link in the description below. It's the creator of Victorinox friend group, Facebook group. And we have here two compacts. This one and this one. This one is called the Color. It has a number here. So this is of course compact. It's a 16mm thickness, 15 functions and 64 grams. And as I said, I put a link in the description below. It can be shipped worldwide, so no problem with that. And maybe they won't be available soon. So, as a reminder, we have of course the large blade, we have the Sharp Knife Club on it, large blade, combo tool, we have can opener, bottle opener, flat screwdriver, wire builder stripper, and scissors. So we have two layers. On the other side, corkscrew, mini screwdriver, the straight pin here. We have a file, nail file, and the hook, the keyring, toothpick, ballpoint pen, and finally tweezers. So here for this one is exactly the same, so I'm not going to show, of course. So for Weihnachten, or in German, Merry Christmas. So it's quite beautiful too. It's in 3D. You can see, I think, but with the finger we can feel. Here it's in 3D as well. So it's really beautiful. Oh, here's an example of a knife that has the logo at the back. Wasn't really, there was not really room to put it at the front, so it's at the back. This one can remind you that the SAC 2021, of course, from which it is inspired, I think. Not exactly the same pattern, but yeah, two beautiful knives. So as I said, I'll put the link in the description below. And this one is limited to 300 pieces and comes with a certificate with the number. It's not on the knife, unfortunately, but the certificate is has a number, it's 137. So this will probably be the last video for this year. So wish you a Merry Christmas. I hope you have a good new year. Don't forget, of course, to subscribe, leave comments, and I'll see you next year for the next video. Take care and see you for the next video. So bye bye. You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig